animals have been herded up this path for hundreds of years, and it's also an ancient smuggler's route between Hastings on the coast and London. But we're here today to look at these beech trees. Now, because of soil erosion, the base of the tree doesn't start for about 2.5 metres up, and you can see the exposed roots. Let's go up and have a proper look at them. Ini has been fascinated by The Hidden Life of Trees by Peter Wolleben. Here we discuss how the book can help us understand trees close to home.
What these exposed roots show is how interconnected these two beech trees are. And they do this because if this one's having a tough time, this one's able to send nutrients through its roots into that tree. So that means that it doesn't risk its neighbour falling down and hitting it and knocking it down, or if its neighbour falls and leaves a big gap, wind can come in and damage this tree.
I guess what it shows is that trees are not single entities. They're connected, they're part of this massive ecosystem.
Yeah, all connected through their roots, and forests should be considered as a unit really, not as, as a group of individuals.
So beech trees have quite dark canopies. Now we've only got a few beech trees here, there are other trees around, but when they have an all beech forest, you have such dark forest floor that other saplings can't come up. So for instance, an oak sapling can't grow up in such low levels of light. And the beech trees benefit their own offspring by the ones that can reach the light and photosynthesize, feed down and provide the smaller, younger ones with sugars so they can live. And then when the parent plant falls over, their offspring is ready to shoot up and fill the hole.
Amazing. And they don't just communicate to each other, they'll also communicate between different species. So wild boar and deer particularly like eating acorns from oak and beech nuts from beech trees. But the two species of beech and oak will communicate to do a number of years of low fruit crops. That means that the wild boar and deer numbers decline, and then they'll communicate, the beech and oak, to have a mast year, so produce a particularly high number of fruits, so acorns and beech nuts. And then that gives that year in the mast year their offspring the greatest chance in an environment with fewer deer and wild boar to succeed.
Great, thanks for watching.